Hey YouTubers, this is my 1948 CJ2A Jeep that we're refinishing, and we're at that place where we have to take the body off the frame. To do that, you have to get the steering wheel off the shaft, and I've beat it, and it has not inched. It's obviously seized. There's very tight threads, teeth that tie into the inner shaft, the outer shaft, the inner shaft. And I'm trying this item from Harbor Freight. It's a puller for pulleys, and it is this product right here, gear puller. It was about 30 bucks, and there's a video of a guy doing this online. It's a very old video. He never completes it and says whether it works or not, but I'm going to give this a try because the alternative is a lot more involved to get these shafts out and unattached from the mechanism down by the engine. So I'm going to set this up and we will proceed from there. Okay, I did put some heat on this and bolt through the center shaft to try to protect the threads on that shaft. And I will really be surprised if this works, because this has proven itself to be very much seized in there. And we are cranking it down slowly here. Nothing much is happening. Some noise. We only need it to break, and then I think it'll come free. Whoops. I don't think it's making any progress whatsoever, which makes me curious about what is happening when this thing spins. I'm going to pause here. All right, we had some good news here. I was able to tighten it down. It would not budge, but I took a little 16-ounce hammer and whacked the back of the fitting back here, and that popped it off. So thank goodness for this tool. I did put some more heat on it. I don't know how much good that did, but I'm recommending this gear puller set if you've got one of these CJ, older vehicle CJs, and because they're notorious for being difficult to get the steering wheel off. So I hope this helps, gives you a path to follow. Again, the tool as of this date was about 30 bucks at Harbor Freight, and save yourself a lot of headache. Go get one. I should have done this in the beginning. If I'd known about it, I would have. Thanks for watching.